This Ladibug dock cam is insane? Lumens DC125 review. Teachers can't stop raving about it. Ever feel like your tech is fighting against you, not with you? You're in the middle of class, your students are zoning out, and you're fumbling with a blurry webcam or a camera that captures nothing but shadowy outlines of what used to be your beautifully prepped demo. You're stuck squinting at cables, restarting apps, and apologizing mid-lesson. Every second wasted makes you feel more overwhelmed, more frustrated, like you're teaching underwater. Your tool should boost your flow, not break your rhythm. But let's face it, most document cameras are either overpriced dinosaurs or half-baked plastic toys that choke when you need them most. And the longer you deal with subpar gear, the heavier the pressure gets. You've got lectures to prep, deadlines stacking up, and that creeping sense of burnout whispering, why even bother? Missed explanations. Confused students. Opportunities slipping through the cracks. All because your current setup can't keep up. You start second-guessing every tool you use, and even your own ability to teach or present clearly. That sinking feeling when the image lags right when you're showing a key detail? Brutal. Or when you try to demo a lab experiment and the video's a pixelated mess? Yeah. It's enough to make anyone throw in the towel. Now breathe. Enter the Lumens DC125 Ladibug, your new classroom superhero. This isn't some clunky dinosaur, it's a sleek, plug-and-play beast with full HD 1080p clarity and a freakishly flexible gooseneck that can twist, turn, and zoom in like a hawk on caffeine. Whether it's tiny insect wings, student annotations, or art brushstrokes, the DC125 captures everything in buttery smooth 30 frames per second. Built-in LED lighting, hands-free autofocus, and one-touch video or audio recording let you stay focused on teaching, not tinkering. It even plays nice with Zoom, Teams, WebEx, and all your whiteboards. Setup? Just one USB. Drivers? None. Boom. Instant clarity, zero drama. Educators are raving about it. One user says, "My students can read everything, even with the lights on." Another calls it a total game changer for remote office hours. Teachers love the rugged yet lightweight build, real-time annotation with the included Ladibug software, and, get this, a 5-year warranty. You'll feel the shift instantly. Better flow, sharper visuals, less explaining the same thing over and over. The macro focus, as close as 40 mm, and image optimization mean no more blurry worksheets or messy handwriting. Still skeptical? Try showing a piece of rice. Or pencil marks. The DC125 nails it. Want smoother classes and better engagement? Click in and see why Ladibug is leading the swarm. This thing flies off the shelves, literally. The Lumens DC125 isn't just popular, it's in demand. With glowing reviews, crazy teacher loyalty, and school admins bulk ordering them for hybrid classrooms, you're looking at limited stock that moves fast. Don't wait until mid-semester tech panic hits. Secure yours now and join thousands of educators, trainers, artists, and pros who've leveled up their game. No risk. No regrets. Just ridiculously clear visuals, full creative control, and 5 years of peace of mind. Ready to stop struggling and start teaching like a boss? Tap that link, claim your Ladibug, and make blurry tech drama a thing of the past.